These here are the 2x4 pressure treated boards for the sleepers. Those are going to go down, and then we're going to put the deck boards on top. Here are the deck boards. These are 5.5 inches wide and 1 1/4, a full 1 1/4 inches thick. They're pressure treated, and for the purpose that we're going to be using them for, it's a good quality board. We're going to install them when we make our cuts. Number one, we're going to seal them so that they last. Then what we've got here is these are the rails for the mounting in the balusters or the pickets. These are the 1x4s, got it all primed, sealed. Any cuts that we make, we're going to seal those. This here is 2x6s. This is for the top rail, and that's going to go around. Any cuts that we make, we're going to seal those with a primer as well. What we have here is the posts that were saved. They're pressure treated. They're in good shape. We're just letting them dry out. We've given them a good sand, and then we're going to seal these edges. This is super important to get this sealed. It'll last a lot longer. You can see these are the bolt holes that were where the bolts were going through into the support. We're also going to throw a coat on this before we install it so that it's all sealed.